Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben from the United States. I am glad you are here. Today we will learn English together. Today's episode is about reading books. Reading books can help your English. Reading helps your vocabulary. Reading helps your grammar. Reading helps your pronunciation if you read out loud. Reading helps your confidence. Reading is fun and calm. You can read at home. You can read on a bus. You can read in a park. You can read before bed. Reading can be slow or fast. Reading can be short or long. The most important thing is to enjoy reading. I will speak in simple sentences. I will give ideas you can use now. I will give tips for beginners. I will give tips for more advanced learners. I will give a sample introduction that you can copy. I will ask you to repeat some lines. You can pause and practice anytime. Why read books in English? First, books give many new words. You see words in a natural place. You see words used in sentences. You learn how people use words. Second, books show grammar in context. You learn how to make sentences. Third, books show culture. You see ideas from other people. You learn new ways to think. Fourth, books help focus. You spend time on one page at a time. That helps your brain. What books should you choose? Choose books that match your level. If you are a beginner, pick a graded reader. Graded readers use simple language. They also keep stories fun. If you are an intermediate learner, pick short novels. You can pick books for teens or young adults. If you are advanced, pick full novels or non-fiction. You can also pick news articles. You can pick short stories. You can pick biographies. Mix fiction and non-fiction. Start small. Read short chapters. Read one page a day if you want. Read 10 minutes a day if you want. Small steps are good. You will keep going. You will build a habit. A habit is more important than speed. How to read actively. First, look at the title. Think about the title. Guess what the book is about. Second, look at pictures if there are any. Pictures can help you understand. Third, read the first paragraph slowly. Try to get the main idea. Fourth, underline or mark new words. Fifth, make a list of new words. Sixth, use a dictionary if you need. Seventh, try to guess the meaning from the sentence before you open a dictionary. Guess first, then check. This helps your thinking. How to use a dictionary. Use a simple dictionary for learners. Use an online learner dictionary or a pocket dictionary. Do not look up every word. Look up the words you need to understand the meaning. For other words, try to guess from the sentence. If you find the same word many times, then look it up. Write the meaning in simple English. Say the word out loud. Use the word in a new sentence. This will help you remember. Reading aloud helps your speaking. When you read out loud, your mouth learns new sounds. Your ears hear the words. Your brain links sound and meaning. You can record yourself. Play the recording. You can hear your mistakes. You can try again. This is a good way to improve your pronunciation. Reading with a partner is fun. Find a friend who learns English. Read the same book or the same article. Read aloud to each other. Talk about the story. Ask simple questions. Ask what happened. Ask how the characters feel. Share your ideas. This helps speaking and listening. Make notes as you read. Write short notes in a notebook. Write new words. Write short summaries of a chapter. Write one sentence for each chapter. Write the main idea. Write your opinion in one line. This will help you remember the book. Ask questions when you read. Who are the main characters? Where is the story? When does the story happen? What do the characters want? Why do they act this way? How does the story end? These simple questions help your comprehension. Summarize after a chapter. Say the main points in 1 or 2 sentences. You can do this out loud. You can do this in writing. Try to use new words you learned. Read different genres. Try mystery. Try romance. Try science fiction. Try history. Try biography. Each genre uses different words. Each genre uses different ideas. This will help your English grow in many directions. Use audiobooks with real books. Listen and read at the same time. This helps your listening and your reading. You can pause and repeat sentences. Listen to a sentence and read the same sentence. This makes the sound and the text match in your brain. Do this for new phrases. This is a powerful method. Set a reading goal. A goal helps you stay on track. For example, read 1 chapter a day. Or read 15 pages a day. Or read for 20 minutes a day. Choose a goal that is easy to do. Small goals are better than big goals. You will feel good when you reach your goal. Use a reading journal. Write the book title. Write the date. Write new words. Write a short summary. Write 1 sentence about your favorite part. Over time, you will see progress. You will feel proud. Do not worry about perfect understanding. You do not have to know every word. You do not have to understand every sentence. Keep reading even when it is hard. You will learn with time. Reading is like exercise for your brain. The muscles get stronger with practice. Now some tips for vocabulary. First, learn in phrases, not single words. Learn how a word is used in a sentence. Second, review new words often. Space out your reviews. Third, use new words in your speaking and writing. Fourth, group words by topic. Read books about the same topic to see the same words again. How to keep interest. Choose books that you like. If a book is boring, stop. Find another book. Reading should be fun. Try books based on movies you like. Try books by authors you like. Try short stories with many different themes. Sometimes try rereading a book you loved in your first language. This can help you read faster in English. How to read faster. First, practice often. Second, do not read every word. Try to get the main idea of the sentence. Third, practice scanning. Scanning means looking for keywords like names and dates. Fourth, practice skimming. Skimming means reading quickly to get the main idea. Both skills help you move faster without losing meaning. Use simple reading exercises. Read 1 page. Say the main idea in 1 sentence. Read another page. Write 3 new words. Read a short paragraph and ask 1 question about it. These small exercises help a lot. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat if you want. I will speak slowly. I will also pause and tell you to repeat a sentence. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you heard. Try to copy my rhythm and my intonation. Try to sound natural. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live in a small city. I like to read books in English. I read books every day. I read in the morning and at night. I read many genres. I like stories about people. I also like books about history. I learn new words when I read. I learn new ideas when I read. I like to share book ideas with friends. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. Pause and repeat now. Hello, my name is Ben. Good. I enjoy reading mystery books. I enjoy the surprise in a good mystery. I enjoy learning new facts in nonfiction. I enjoy short stories for a quick read. I enjoy long novels for deep stories. You can say your own version. For example, say this. Hello, my name is, then say your name. I am from, then say your country or city. I like to read, then say your favorite book type. Now pause the video and repeat the whole sentence slowly. Hello, my name is your name. I am from your city. I like to read your favorite type. Here is a longer introduction you can use. You can copy it and change details. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I like to read books in English. I read every day for 30 minutes. My favorite book right now is a small mystery novel. I enjoy the simple words and the strong plot. I also listen to the audiobook while I read. This helps my pronunciation. I like to share book ideas with classmates. I hope to read many books this year. Repeat after me. I like to read books in English. Pause and repeat now. I like to read books in English. Good work. Now a short monologue you can practice. This is a conversation style, but only one person speaks. Use it to train your voice and ideas. Hello, I am Ben. I read a lot. Today I read a chapter about a family. The chapter had simple words. I learned 5 new words. I wrote the words in my notebook. I read the chapter out loud. I listened to my voice. I said the difficult words again. I feel better with my reading. You can pause the video and repeat these sentences. Repeat the full monologue now if you want. Hello, I am Ben. I read a lot. Today I read a chapter about a family. The chapter had simple words. I learned 5 new words. I wrote the words in my notebook. I read the chapter out loud. I listened to my voice. I said the difficult words again. I feel better with my reading. Now a practice prompt. I will say a short sentence. Then I will pause. Repeat the sentence 3 times. Ready. I love reading in the morning. Pause now and repeat. I love reading in the morning. Repeat again. I love reading in the morning. Listen to a longer sentence now. I read slowly to learn new words, and I read faster to enjoy the story. Pause and repeat. I read slowly to learn new words, and I read faster to enjoy the story. Now try to say why you like reading. Use simple words. Say 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I like reading because it helps me learn words. I like reading because it makes me calm. Now pause the video and say your sentence aloud. Here are some conversation questions you can ask a friend. What book are you reading now? Who is the main character? What is the main idea of the book? Do you like the book so far? Why do you like this book? Who is your favorite character? Where does the story take place? When does the story happen? Ask these questions in a study group. Tips for class practice. Read 1 paragraph in class. Ask a classmate what they think. Share 1 new word with a partner. Teach a classmate a new phrase. This helps both of you. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you read, you will find new grammar forms. You will make small mistakes. That is okay. Fix 1 or 2 mistakes each week. Focus on steady progress. Use your phone to help. Take a photo of a page. Use a translator app for 1 or 2 words. Use an audiobook app to read with the text. Use a notes app for new words. Use a timer to read for a set time. Technology can help, but do not depend on it for every word. Make reading a routine. Choose a time that fits your life. Morning, lunch, or night. Make a cozy spot to read. Have good light. Sit comfortably. Keep a notebook and a pencil nearby. Have a glass of water if you like. Make the time pleasant. Celebrate your reading. After you finish a book, write a short review. Tell a friend or post a small note. Reward yourself with a treat. A small reward helps your habit. Remember to enjoy the story. The best way to improve is to enjoy reading. If you enjoy the story, you will read more. If you read more, you will learn more. Now 1 final practice. I will say 3 short tips. Repeat each tip after me. Tip 1, read every day. Pause and repeat. Read every day. Tip 2, write new words. Pause and repeat. Write new words. Tip 3, talk about the book. Pause and repeat. Talk about the book. That was great work today. You practiced listening and speaking. You heard sample sentences. You practiced repeating. You heard ways to choose books and to make a routine. Now go and choose a small book. Read 1 page and write 1 word in your notebook. This is a small step that leads to big gains. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.